What's up, guys? So if you can't tell, I'm sitting in the back of my truck. I'm actually parked in my driveway right here. Um, and my goal today, just to give you guys, I guess, just show you around where I'm at. I'm in the truck camper. So my goal today is to figure out a way to lock this from the inside, this truck shell. So if you close the window, close the back glass. So it's a Lear topper and I have handles on both sides like that. And there's no great way to lock them. But I think I've come up with a really simple solution. I went out and bought a little piece of chain. So I've got this, it's called single jack chain. Lighting in here is terrible. Just some chain that I can use. Got these little S hooks and a couple of sheet metal screws, tiny sheet metal screws that'll fit through the eyes of that chain. And what my plan is that when I close this door down, and I usually turn them when I'm inside anyways, but I'll turn it. So what the plan is going to be is to run a sheet metal screw through right here somewhere, attach that piece of chain to it, and I'll drill a small hole through here, and then I'll put one of those S hooks on the end of the chain so that when I flip this down, I can just run that hook through there, and the chain won't have a ton of play, and it won't be able to turn this to open it up. And you can turn it basically to 45, and it'll still catch. So you have a lot of room in there to attach that chain. So we're gonna get to working here and see if I can get this figured out. So I'll get you guys set up on a tripod or something in here so you can kind of see what I'm doing. This should be really, really simple. So shouldn't take long at all. I think the biggest thing is going to be actually drilling the hole in the piece of metal for the handle. But as far as the chain and the sheet metal screws in the side of the bed, that's not going to take much at all. So let's get to work. I have bigger sheet metal screws in the garage. I've got one attached right here to this chain. That bigger link, I have some of those bigger links. So I'm just gonna try to shove that guy through there. We're just gonna go right into this piece. Let's see if we can do this without jacking it up. My neighbor decided it was awesome time to mow her lawn. That looks good to me. Alright, I'm going to do that on the other side really quick too, guys. Alright guys, I've got both chains. Both chains are installed. So now I need to drill some holes in these handles. It's warm in here, guys. Well, here goes nothing. Just give her a shove in there. Tap the back end, that's all right. Let's put this hook on quick, see if this works. What I do with my schneedle nose. We're gonna take one of these big S hooks. That should fit right through there. Yep. We're gonna put that there. Close this sucker down. Stick that in there like that. Boom, it's locked. And I could probably actually take another link out of there. Yeah, we'll try one more link. Well, that's not bad. It's not bad at all. That'll work just fine. Clean up that hole a little bit. I might put that link back in there, we'll see. So let's do the other side. Sweating in here. Need some air. Woo, doggies. All right, guys, well, we're done. So we can close the tailgate. Oop, smacking you guys on the roof. You can close the tailgate. Now, if you want to lock that, I do have a locking tailgate, so I can lock that with the key. I can close this. So there we go. Really simple. The sun there, it's hard to see, but it just slides in and out, and it's just attached down there. Oop, my wife's home. It's hard to see on camera, and you can just lock it in there. So that's it, guys. Just the little hook. You don't even see that sheet metal screw down in there. Close that up. Damn curtain's in the way. and stick it in there. And there's a little play in the handle, but it's not much. In fact, I could probably add another link in there because you have so much space before it. I mean, you can go way up there. But we'll see how it works. That's it, man. Really simple solution. And I haven't personally seen anybody do this. People will like clip a vice grip onto here or something maybe. There's no great way to lock these, but this is a really simple solution from the inside. So, I hope you guys enjoyed that one. It's nice to be able to lock this thing. There are some spots where I've stayed and like I've thought about doing some boondocking and stuff like that, and just not being able to lock myself in here does worry me a little bit. But now I have the ability to do that. I can lock the back end completely from the inside. Like I said, you can lock the tailgate, close the tailgate, lock that from the outside on the handle with the key, and then lock yourself in here with these little chains. And they don't get in the way of anything. If I don't want to see them, I can just put them right behind the bed rug. So they're there when you need it and they're out of sight when you're not. And drilling that hole in that handle, the little latch part, shouldn't affect anything on that. So like I said, I need to just run a file over the back of it because they are a little rough from drilling through there. But that's it, man. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Really simple way to lock it up. So that's it for this one. Stay tuned for the next adventure. I'll see you in a bit.